In today's video, I'm going to teach you a simple yet effective method for adding your HubSpot-generated email signature into Gmail. By following along, you'll ensure a consistent and professional look for all your emails, whether they're sent through Gmail or your HubSpot CRM. Let's start by creating your signature using HubSpot's free email signature generator. First, head over to the generator and you'll find a form where you can enter all your essential details. This includes your name, title, and contact information. If you'd like to add a personal touch, you can also upload images such as a photo or your company logo. Once your details are entered, take a moment to browse through the templates available to find one that suits your brand. You can customize it further by selecting brand colors that complement your business aesthetics. After setting everything up, you'll want to click on Create Signature to generate it. You'll have the option to copy either the HTML or the formatted version. Choose what works best for you, as this will be pasted into Gmail later. Now that your signature is ready, let's move on to adding it to Gmail on the web. Begin by opening Gmail and clicking on the gear icon in the top right corner to access settings. From there, select See All Settings, which will take you to a different page. You'll want to navigate to the General tab. Scroll down until you reach the Signature section. Here, you'll see an option to Create New. Click on that and give your new signature a recognizable name so you can find it easily in the future. Now, it's time to paste in your signature. You can add the HTML or formatted version that you copied earlier into the editor provided by Gmail. Before you wrap this up, pay attention to the Signature Defaults section. Here, you'll choose when your signature should automatically apply, whether for new emails, replies, or both. Once you're happy with your settings, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes to finalize your adjustments. A quick tip: if your signature includes images like a logo or a photo, make sure these images are hosted online, perhaps using the HubSpot File Manager. Doing so allows you to insert them via the Image button in Gmail, ensuring they display correctly in your emails. Finally, let's switch gears to the HubSpot CRM, ensuring your one-to-one CRM emails also carry the same signature style. In HubSpot, click on the settings represented by the gear icon. Navigate to General, followed by Email, and then head over to Manage Email Signatures. Here, paste the same signature, and if necessary, switch to HTML mode for accuracy. Once you're done, remember to save it. Your CRM sent emails will now automatically include this signature, matched perfectly with those sent from Gmail. By completing these steps, you've successfully unified your email signature across both platforms, enhancing your professional presence in all communications. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.